Hello, and welcome to today's restorative practice, Constructive Rest. Please come into a comfortable position, lying on your back, with your legs over a chair, or knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Take a few moments to settle in and allow yourself to become completely comfortable. We're going to begin today's practice with a little palming for the eyes and self-massage to help us shift gears from the day that we've had so far. So as you're ready, begin to bring the palms together, rubbing them, generating some warmth, energy, and connection between the palms. Place your hands over the face, gently over the eyes, and feel the warmth and relaxation of your hands flowing into you. Take a few soft, easy breaths here. Allow all of the muscles under the hands to soften and relax, and especially the area behind the eyes. Allow your mind to begin to rest. And begin to smooth away any tension from the forehead. Placing the heels of the hands on the center of the forehead and smoothing all the way out to the temples. Massaging away any tension through this area. And then taking the fingers into the scalp, gently massaging in any way that feels good across the head, as though you were giving yourself a gentle shampoo massage. And coming round the back of the neck and occipital bones at the base of the head, gently pressing into them, massaging, noticing any tight or tender areas. And continue bringing the self-massage down through the neck with some gentle squeezes across the tops of the shoulders, and allow the palms of the hands to rest in the center of the chest over the heart center. Take an easy breath here. Just notice what you feel beneath your hands. Perhaps the beating of your heart. Perhaps the rise and fall of your breath. Allowing your awareness to soften gradually inward as we now bring the hands to the solar plexus at the base of the rib cage. And again, just observing the gentle rise and fall of your breath, the movement of your ribs, the weight of your body, relaxing down into the support of the ground. And then sliding your hands down onto your lower belly, and feeling the gentle movement of your breath here as it fills the space between your belly button and your spine. Relaxing a little bit more with each exhale. Feel your awareness dropping deeper into your body as you welcome your whole self here into this present moment. Allow the arms to rest comfortably out to your sides now, with the palms face up, softening the center of your hands. And take a few gentle cleansing breaths as you feel the weight of your body getting heavier down into the support beneath you. Know that there's nothing that you need to do now. This is your time for deep rest. And if you find the mind busier, more active, or if it's difficult to be still, you may wish to weave a little gentle movement with your breath, opening the palms of the hands as you breathe in, and gently closing the hands around the breath as you breathe out. Take your time as you connect the opening and closing of your hands to the soft, slow rhythm of your breath. Taking the length of your next inhale to slowly open the hands, and the length of your next exhale to slowly close the hands. Inhale, slowly opening, and exhale, slowly closing. And you can continue this opening and closing of the hands for as long as you like, moving when it feels good to move, and finding stillness when it feels good to rest. Again, feel the full weight of your body, relaxing deeper into the gentle pull of gravity now. Knowing that you have all the time that you need here. Feel the back of your body wide and open. Softening all of the muscles of the face, neck, and head. Allow your tongue to be soft inside of your mouth. Relaxing the back of the neck and throat. Softening the collarbones. Releasing the weight of the chest, shoulders, and arms. Relaxing the solar plexus and middle back. And softening all of the muscles of your belly and lower back. Feel as though your breath could gently massage all of your internal organs, melting away any stress or tension through your inner body. Feel the weight of the hips and pelvis gently release deeper into the ground beneath you. Allow the legs to fall gently open, releasing their weight into the support, and softening all the way down through the feet and toes. Feel your whole body relaxing deeper here. Your whole body lovingly held and carried by the ground beneath you. And allow yourself to rest quietly here for a few moments more, feeling the soft ebb and flow of your breath calm and soothe your body, mind, and heart. Now feel free to stay here for as long as you like today. Or if you're ready to come back with me now, begin to wiggle the fingers, the toes, starting to bring your awareness gently back, finding a little feel-good movement in your body again. Slowly rolling the head side to side. And take your time as you bring the knees to your chest, hugging them to you. And slowly rocking the knees side to side, massaging your back across the floor. And then it might feel nice to place the hands on the knees, slowly circling the knees around, continuing this moving massage of the lower back, hips, and sacrum. And then as you're ready, continue to roll all the way over onto your side, pausing here, knees bent in front of the chest, hand resting on the floor in front of you. And in the most lusciously lazy way that you can find, take your time as you come back into a comfortable seated posture. Take a few moments to feel everything realigning and reorganizing into a new sense of you here. And just rolling gently through the shoulders, finding a little wiggle down through your spine, and bringing the palms together in front of your heart, bowing in a gesture of gratitude for creating this time for yourself today.